Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Today we'll be doing a set of Dhatuswaras. When we started our Carnatic music and the basics of the learning of Carnatic music, we started off with the set of Saliswaras and then we did a Jantuswara. The third pattern is a Dhatuswara. And what is a Dhatuswara? As the name itself suggests, Dhatu is a jumbling of numbers. Before we actually get into learning of the Dhatuswara patterns, let me give you a little theoretical understanding of what Dhatuswara is and where we actually use these patterns. As I said, Dhatu is a combination, permutations and combinations of swaras, but then of course jumbling. If we recollect the first Sarliswaram, Sarigama Padanisa, Sanidapa Magarisa, all these 7 swaras have been put in a serial pattern. They follow a very subsequent numbers, alright. So, but wherein in these Dhatu swaras, we actually jumble the letters. First, say I number the swaras Sa, Ri, Gama as 1, 2, 3, 4. In all our Sarli swaras and Janta swaras, even though we did twice or Sa, Sa, Ri, Ri, Ga, Ga, Ma, Ma in Janta swara, the pattern is same, Sarigama follows. But then in Dhatu, you might say 1, 3, 4, 3. That could be one of your patterns. Or we can as well say 1, 2, 3, 4, 3. You mean you just go up and down with the numbers, with the swaras. As in Sa, Sa, Pa, Ma, Pa, Ga, Ma, Ri, Ga, Sa, Ri, Sa, Pa, Ma, Pa, Ni, Pa. These kind of a combinations is called a Dhatu, wherein you don't have those kind of a combinations in Sarli swaras. Sarli swaras are very simple and straight format of the 7 swaras. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa, Sa, Ni, Da, Pa, Ma, Ga, Re, Sa. Even when you go with the Janta also, the patterns are same. Sa, Sa, Re, Re, Ga, Ga, Ma, Ma, Pa, Pa, Da, Da, Ni, Ni, Sa, 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 Ni, Ni, Da, Da, Pa, Pa, Ma, Ma, Ga, Ga, Re, Sa, Sa. So we haven't done any kind of a jumping or jumping off the swaras. But wherein we are talking about the Dhatus, you will surely have a jumping. Sa, Pa, Ma, Ga, Sa, Re, Ga, Ma. That can be one of the Dhatu swaras. Sa, Ma, Ga, Ma, Re, Ga. That's another Dhatu swara. So I hope you are understanding. Even more detail you'll surely understand when we actually get into the learning of the Dhatu swaras. Why do we use the Dhatu swara? That's in the second question. Or is at least I got this question when I was learning Dhatu swaras. Dhatu swaras are very much important when we do a Manodharmam. But what is a Manodharmam? I'll just give you a little briefing. If you have heard any concerts before, you would have surely heard the legendary singers or any singer for that matter doing the swaras after a kirtana, right? So that kirtana, the way of swaras they fall into, the kind of patterns they form after that, the Swarakalpana performance, you get the bass from the Dhatu swaras. This is where we do a lot of experiments with the swaras, the base ragam Mayamala of Gala. But you can actually extend these kind of combinations to any ragam that you learn in future as well. We start with Mayamala of Gala, but then in future we'll surely learn ragas like Malahari, Mohana, Shankaravarnam, Kamboji. You name a ragam, you have the ragas. So you can as well practice these kind of Dhatu formats or combinations even with those ragas, not only with the Mayamala of Gala. So let's straight away get into the first Dhatu swaram. We'll be doing 3 complicated Dhatu swaras. I'll not give you a very simple Dhatu swaras per se. We'll do first 3 complicated Dhatu swaras and then also create a new swaras. We'll do a new technique of framing those Dhatu swaras in the series of sessions we'll do. So let's get into the first Dhatu swaram. A recap of Mayamala of Gaula. Even these things are set to Adi Talam because that's the base tala and that's very easy to understand and go ahead. So let's do our first Dhatu swara. Se, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, Sa. Just a recap of the raga. Let's get into the first Dhatu swara. Sa, Sa, Ma, Ma, Re, Re, Ga, Ga. This is the first half of your first Dhatu swaram. As I said, will not follow the pattern Sarigama. Here I took a pattern Sa, Ma, Ri, Ga as the pattern. For Dhatu swaras also we use a Janta format, that's the twice of the letters. So this is the thing. I'll do as slow as I can, even slower than the first column. Please note down the swaras, the pattern carefully, and then we'll do the first 3 colors. sa sa ma ma re re ga ga sa sa re re ga ga ma ma. That's the first line of the Dhatuswaram. Sa sa ma ma re re ga ga sa sa re re ga ga ma ma re re pa pa ga ga ma ma. That's the second line. Re pa pa ga ga ma ma re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ga ga ma ma pa pa da da. The third line. Ga ga ma ma pa pa da da ma ma. See, if you understand this, if you've actually kind of for you to know the patterns, note down Sarigama Padinisa on a paper. This is how we technically do it, and also note the numbers on it, 1 2 3 4 5 till 7, and then you understand the jumbling patterns. All right, let's do the ga. Ga ga da ga. I hope you're getting the patterns here. Ga ga ma ma pa pa da da. Let's go the fourth line. Ma ma pa pa. All right. Ma ma ni ni pa pa da da ma ma pa pa da da ni ni. It might be a little confusing for you when I'm doing it very slow. It's in fact confusing for me as well, because I'm doing it very slow, which is I've never done it. But then let's try to understand the patterns first, and then when we actually do the whole thing at a stretch, it'll be very easy for you. Let's do the madhyama line again. That's the fourth line. Ma ma ni ni pa pa da da ma ma pa pa da da ni ni pa pa sa sa da da ni ni pa pa da da ni ni sa sa. This is the first half of the Dhatuswaram. If you want, I can as well do the first half again, or we'll continue with the second half. But then when you're doing a Dhatuswara, there is one more thing, very important thing that you have to understand is the swara sthai. Because it doesn't go in a straight format, you should be able to get this sthai, the dot. No compromising with that. Let's do the pa, the fifth line once again. Pa pa sa sa da da ni ni pa pa da da ni ni sa 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 pa pa ni ni da da sa sa ni ni da da pa pa. I repeat the line. Sa 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 ni ni sa sa pa pa ni ni da da sa sa ni ni da da pa pa ni ni ma ma da da pa pa ni ni da da pa pa ma ma. Alright, let's do the knees from once again. Pa sa ni. I'm also trying to get the swarasthanas. If I'm actually doing it, stopping the note there, I'm just trying to give you the swarasthanam there so that you get the swarasthanam on dot. Ni ni ma ma da da pa pa ni ni da da pa pa ma ma da da ga ga pa pa ma ma da da pa pa ma ma ga ga pa pa re re ma ma ga ga pa pa ma ma ga ga re re ma ma sa za ga ga re re ma ma ga ga re re sa za. This is a full Dhatu Swaram. I know it's very confusing for you. It might be very confusing and difficult for you to understand. But believe me, if you get the hang of these swaras, it will be very fun to do it in your third column with Akara, Mukaram as we did in the first, the formats of the basics, that's Sarli Swaras and Janda Swaras. Let's do a quick recap of the whole Dhatu Swaram. Without any stopping in the first column, please cross-check the kind of pattern you have written down, because if something is wrong, you'll never be able to get the whole pattern right. Alright? So let's quickly do the first column of the first Dhatu Swaram. Sa sa ma ma re re ga ga sa sa re re ga ga ma ma. If you have observed the first line that I did, I'm just trying to add a little of his sangati, a kind of a wave kind of a thing to it. You can do it as plain as you want, or you can add this as well. If it's a plain note, it cuts like this. Sa sa ma ma re re ga ga. That's a plain and sharp note. If you want to add a little sangati, add a beauty to it. Sa sa ma ma re re ga ga. Right? It depends on you how you catch it. I prefer the next one because I prefer that the shift that goes on. So I'll be doing like that. If that's difficult for you in initial stage, please don't bother. Take the sharp notes, get the feel of it, get the swara perfect, and then you can add the sangatis to it. Sa sa ma ma re re ga ga sa sa re re ga ga ma ma re re pa pa ga ga ma ma re re ga ga ma ma pa pa ga ga da da ma ma pa pa ga ga ma ma pa pa da da ma ma ni ni pa pa da da ma ma pa pa da da ni ni pa pa sa sa da da ni ni pa pa da da ni ni sa sa pa pa ni ni da da sa sa ni ni da da pa pa ni ni ma ma da da pa pa ni ni da da pa pa ma ma da da ga ga pa pa ma ma da da pa pa ma ma ga ga pa pa re re ma ma ga pa pa re re ma ma ga ga pa pa ma ma ga ga re re ma ma sa sa ga ga re re ma ma ga ga re re sa sa